Rhode Island health officials are trying to prepare for a potential surge in cases expected in the next few weeks.
All while asking the public to do their part in stopping the spread of COVID-19. Eyewitness News reporter Shiina LoSciuto has information that's new tonight. Shiina?
Every day, we have a reporter covering the governor's press briefing, but due to guidelines on gatherings, reporters are no longer allowed in the room. So that means there's not a lot of chances to ask follow-up questions. So tonight, we took our additional questions to the Rhode Island Department of Health. Dr. Jim McDonald is a medical director at the Rhode Island Department of Health. He tells Eyewitness News the two latest people to die with the coronavirus, a man in his 70s and a woman in her 50s. In total, 10 people have died with the virus here in Rhode Island.
We have 60 people in the hospital right now. And keep in mind, this is day 32 since patient number 1.
We wanted to know more about how those 60 people are doing.
Right now, about 14 of those folks are in the ICU. 11 of those folks are intubated or on a ventilator, so that's pretty serious.
McDonald says since the first cases were reported here, 33 COVID-19 patients have been released from the hospital. Many of you have been asking us why we don't hear more about that.
And we haven't been talking a lot about how many people have recovered, and that's actually pretty consistent with what other health departments are doing. Part of that's because we're really focusing on identifying cases, isolating those who are ill, quarantining those who are exposed.
Dr. McDonald says this is only the beginning, and if you really care about those around you, you'll take it more seriously.
You know, I have a profound amount of respect for the COVID virus, and that's the word I think is important, is respect. I think if we respect the virus and its power on our bodies, it changes our behavior. When the governor is asking us to not be around each other and to sacrifice right now, it's because we're trying to preserve each other's lives.
Dr. McDonald says every day we'll be hearing new numbers and more cases, but he says it's important not to get invested in any particular number or trend because this is only the beginning of the pandemic. I'm Shiina LoSciuto, Eyewitness News.